Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha stated on Friday during the foundation stone laying ceremony for infrastructure and allied facilities at Techno India University Tripura that the Government of Tripura envisions making the state an education hub. He noted that the government is actively working toward this goal, and as a result, more private universities are expressing interest in establishing campuses in Tripura. On Friday, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha laid the foundation stone for the infrastructures and allied facilities at Techno India University Tripura. He commenced the program by watering a plant sapling. The event was also attended by Minister Kishore Barman, Techno India University Chancellor Satyam Roy Chaudhary, Techno India Group Co-Chairperson Professor Manasi Roy Chaudhary, and Techno India University Tripura Vice Chancellor Ratan Kumar Saha, among others. Speaking at the program, the Chief Minister stated that the Government of Tripura envisions making the state an education hub and that their active work toward this goal is already attracting interest from more private universities looking to establish campuses.
We are working towards creating a robust infrastructure, improving faculty quality, and ensuring greater access to educational resources for all students. Our policies and initiatives are aimed at creating an environment where students can thrive, learn, and build a future that is not only fulfilling for them personally, but also contribute to the development of our state and nation. The education system must connect with the needs of industry, research, innovation, and community development. We are proud to see that our educational institutions are increasingly involving students in diverse activities such as scientific research, skill development workshops, legal awareness campaigns, and community outreach programs. These initiatives enrich the academic experience and prepare students for the complexities of the real world. Tripura is undergoing a transformation. Over the past few years, we have seen rapid infrastructure development, then expanding connectivity and new opportunities emerging for the youth. Our government is committed to creating an environment where education plays a central role in preparing the next generation for a globalized, technology-driven world. We know that the major objectives of education encompasses personal development, socializations, economic growth, and the cultivation of critical thinking and ethical values. Through education, one is able to shaping minds for a better future. Education is a transformative journey that shapes the very essence of human existence. Education is the cornerstone of human programs and civilization. I would like to take this opportunity to urge all our students here today to take full advantage of the resources and opportunities available to you. As already have mentioned by our Honorable Education Ministers, already in Tripura we have 3 medical colleges including private medical college. We have 1 dental college, BSc Nursing College, then pharmacology college and more this A&M, JNM institutions. We have 28 general degree college, 6 polytechnic college, 5 professional college and 1 degree technical college, that is TIT, which we are going to make it university also. We have planned and hopefully we'll do it. We have 1 NIT, NFSU, National Forensic Science University, Agriculture College, Veterinary College, then Central Sanskrit University. And we have private university too. There are so many private universities. They are also in pipeline, and hopefully they also will be getting the opportunity to set up their university in Tripura. Dhammadepa International Buddhist University we have, then Aryabhat International Universities, and Mata Tripura Sundari Open University. The future of India and of Tripura rests on your soldiers. You are the innovators, leaders and builders of tomorrow. Embrace every challenge as opportunity for growth and stay curious and continue your pursuit of excellence. In conclusion, I would like to extend my congratulations to all those involved in today's event. I am confident that with continued effort, the Techno India University Tripura and Techno College of Engineering Agartala.
Following the foundation stone ceremony, the Chief Minister also inaugurated the ground boys hostel, the girls hostel and the auditorium. Additionally, a blood donation camp was conducted alongside the program. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.